If you need to cancel an appointment in Calendly, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it fast and avoid any confusion. Whether you scheduled the meeting by mistake, your plans changed, or you simply need to free up your calendar, Calendly makes it easy to cancel the booking in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, go to Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on the Meetings tab. This is where Calendly keeps your scheduled appointments, so it's the best place to start when you want to find the event you need to remove. After that, browse through your meeting list and locate the correct appointment. If you have a lot of events scheduled, take your time here and make sure you choose the right one. When you find the appointment, click on it to open the meeting details. In some cases, you may also see a details option, which will take you to the same place. Once the meeting view is open, look for the cancel button. This is the option you'll use to begin the cancellation process. Click cancel and Calendly will bring up the confirmation screen. Before you finish, you may have the option to add an optional reason for the cancellation. If you want to let the other person know why you're cancelling, you can type a short message here. This part is optional, so if you don't want to include a reason, you can skip it. After that, click Yes, cancel to confirm everything. Once you do this, the appointment will be cancelled and the other person will be notified automatically. That's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can cancel a Calendly appointment without any hassle. The key things to remember are to open your Meetings tab, select the correct event, click Cancel, and then confirm with Yes, cancel. If you manage a busy schedule, this is a great way to quickly stay organized and keep your calendar up to date. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on Calendly and other helpful tools. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.